Welcome to everyone. This is Karnataka LMS, Nama Shakti, Nama Bhavishya, initiated by Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. This video with regard to the organizational behavior for the management students. I'm Rajita Bia. In this video, I'm presenting the topic on meaning of personality. For the study of human behavior, we have to understand the individual differences. As we have explained in the earlier sessions, individual differences are due to both the physiological and psychological factor. Analysis of physiological traits in the first step in understanding human behavior, because physiological factors may be one of the variables affecting psychological factor. For example, physiological factors may be one of the variable affecting the personality of a person. Since the personality of a person affects his behavior, we can say that physiological factor is also affecting the behavior. So the basics psychological factors naturally becomes important in analyzing human behavior. Personality is one of the major psychological factors affecting the human behavior. Personality is a very commonly used word. The word is generally used whenever we talk about a person's job prospects, achievements, marriage, and other similar occasions. Here, we are considering the concept of personality in a very narrow sense, as it implies a person's smartness, charm, dress sense, popularity, physical attractiveness, way of speaking, etc. But to understand predict the individual behavior in an organization, this narrow view of the term personality is not enough. We will have to look at the aggregate whole that is greater than the sum of parts. So the term personality is derived from the Latin word persona, which means a mask. Personality is a patterned body of habits, traits, attitudes, and ideas of an individual, as these are organized externally into roles and status, and as they relate internally to motivation, goals, and various aspects of selfhood. It is defined as a person's pattern of habits, attitudes, and traits which determine his adjustment to his environment. So, a person's pattern of habits, the person in a habit, so attitude, so then traits, ಅದು ಅವನ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ G.W. Allport ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Herbert defined it as the characteristic organization of the individual's habits, attitudes, values, emotional characteristics, which impart consistency to the behavior of the individual. According to Arnold W. Green, personality is the sum of person's values plus his non-physical traits. According to Gordon Allport, personality is the dynamic organization within the individual of those psychological systems that determine his unique adjustment to his environment. So Taking all these aspects together, personality represents the sum total of several attributes which manifest themselves in an individual. The ability of the individual to organize and integrate all the qualities so as to give meaning to life, and the uniqueness of the situation which influences behavior of an individual. Bonner provides 6 propositions to classify the nature of personality with the context of change and development. Number 1, human behavior is a composed of acts. Second one, personality visualized as a whole actually itself in a particular environment. Third one, it is distinguished by self-consistency. Fourth one, it forms a time-generating structure. Fifth one is a goal-directed behavior. And last one, it is process of becoming. So from all these, it's very clear that personality is a very diverse psychological concept. So with this, I end this session. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.